청미디 Productions.
Hello. Okay, so in this video we'll be doing an unboxing of the Cartier Love Ring in pink gold. So without further ado, let's get it started. Okay, so as you can see, this is the box that it comes with. Alright. Okay, before that, you will be given this receipt after you buy your Cartier Love Ring in this white envelope. Alright. Yeah, let me just see if my camera is able to focus. Alright, okay. So, in which you will get the receipt as well as the authentication certificate. Alright, so the authentication certificate comes in another white envelope as well. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly check it out. And as you can see, it has the Cartier design on the authentication certificate itself, which is very nice. Alright, and yeah, it's very fancy with the maroon red, which is the Cartier signature packaging. Alright, I'm just going to open it up and cover my ring details. So this is the rough authentication certificate that you'll be getting if you buy Cartier. Okay, are you able to see it? Okay. Alright. I'm just going to quickly keep it. And the receipt is, yeah, it's a receipt, nothing too fancy. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna get that out of the way. And with every purchase, you are able to ask your SAs for the travel pouches. So in this case, if you buy a ring, you'll get this travel pouch, which is the miniature size ones. But if you buy bigger items from Cartier, you'll get a bigger size travel pouch, like for example this one. Alright. Okay, so the travel pouch inside, it has the Cartier embedded on the pouch itself, which I feel is pretty neat. Okay, then yeah, it's a very nice feeling in terms of the case, the material, and yeah, you can put your ring inside here. Oh, can I see? Yeah, the ring inside here. Okay. So yeah, if you want to travel but you have multiple rings, right? Yeah, you can use this travel pouch to store some of the rings that you want to use. Okay. And on top of that, you are able to ask your SA for a cleaning kit as well, which I have here. Alright. Okay, so what the cleaning kit consists, it basically consists of the lotion. And as you can see, it states the lotion is for jewelry and watches as well. So yeah, you can use it to clean your watch as well. And on top of that, you are being given a cleaning cloth as well as a toothbrush. Okay, so the toothbrush is basically for you to clean in between the engravings or in between your rings or jewelry. Like example, for the love ring itself, there's the screw motifs, right? So in the event you got some dirt in the screw motif, yeah, you can use the brush to brush it out. Okay, so without further ado, we'll move on to the actual ring unboxing itself. Oh yeah, actually before that, as you can see in the background, okay, you are able to ask your SA for some of the promotional books as well. Okay, are you able to see it? Yes. Right, the promotional books are this one here and this one. And these are some examples of the paper bags that you'll be getting from Cartier. Okay. Yep. Okay, Ken. Let's officially start the unboxing. So do take note, this is not a true unboxing. I've actually used the ring for a lot of years already. So yeah, let's get on with it. So Cartier unboxings, or the boxes that Cartier provides, right, is mostly in a double box style, as you can see. So once you open the first box, you are being greeted with the second box, which has the Cartier design as well. Okay, so the first box, which is the outer box, is nothing really fancy. As you can see, it's just a maroon red box. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, then the inner box has a bit of the design which you saw in the authentication certificate as well. And once you press this button, and you'll be greeted with the purchase that you bought. In this case, is the Cartier plain love ring in rose gold. Yeah, look at that. It's so beautiful, right? Yeah. Wow. I would like to take this chance to really comment that Cartier's packaging is really second to none, because I do feel that the Cartier really put very strong emphasis on the design, packaging, and the presentation. Yeah, it really looks like, I'm royalty. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, it looks like what royalty would wear, because as you can see, the designs, the intricate designs of the ring box itself is so delicate. And yeah, you can basically use this box for your proposals as well, you know. So yeah, it's very nice. It's a very nice box. And yeah, Cartier service is also very good. You get so many free gifts, like travel pouches, the cleaning kit, everything. Yeah, you're basically very well covered. Alright, so with that said, I'm just going to take the ring out of the box and show you the ring itself. As you can see, this is the 18 karat gold, pink gold option. Okay, so I bought this in pink gold. Alright, and do take note that this ring has been resized. That's why you can see that there's this layer of pink gold on the inner of the ring. You will not be getting this in your ring purchase, because this is resized, and it's resized by Cartier itself. Basically, I wanted it tighter, so that's why I just, yeah, got it resized for my index finger or middle finger. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, this is the Cartier Love Ring in pink gold. It's very nice, and although uh, I've used it for many years, but it is still very pristine, because I do have a lot of rings, and yeah, I tend to rotate between them. As you can see, I have some Trinity rings here as well, right? And there's this Bulgari B0 ring, or B01 ring in white gold, and I got the 6 diamond one as well, the Love Ring in 6 diamond. Okay, alright. So yeah, this is just the unboxing. Do look out for my review in my channel. It might have already been uploaded already, so do check out the review where I will talk more about the design, as well as regarding the durability and everything as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.